Well, much like your high school romance, or maybe mine, the on again, off again, on again, off again relationship between Elon Musk and Twitter is, yes, on the rocks again. The Washington Post reporting that Elon is not buying the bot data and has stopped engaging in financing talks with Twitter. Twitter will not go quietly, though, according to reports. The Financial Times reporting CEO Parag Agrawal is, quote, willing to go to war. And by war, we presume he means court. Alexis Keenan is here with the legal implications if these two are headed for Splitsville. It's been fun to watch. Where is it headed?
Fun, one word, maybe a little bit
Not
aggravating
for
investors and journalists.
Yeah.
But now the page turns to more speculation about whether we're going to Delaware Chancery Court, right?
Yeah.
That's where this would go if there needs to be a legal sorting out of this issue. But we're not quite there yet. So there's talk today about what Musk's legal options might be at this juncture. And right now he's sitting at about paying with his offer price of that $44 billion, about a $17 premium over today's stock price. So tables have turned since he's made that offer. So let's take a look at some of the things that he might be able to do. One, negotiate a price cut. What does that do? Avoids litigation perhaps for both sides, and maybe closes the deal a little bit sooner if they're able to come to terms, if he can convince the board of some sort of a price cut. But look, little incentive at the stock price that Musk is offering there for Twitter to make that move right now. Another one, does Musk try to go ahead and kill the deal and pay that $1 billion breakup fee? Well, that $1 billion breakup fee isn't so easy. There are only certain scenarios that let him go ahead and do that. One would be if regulatory agencies get involved and they want to break up the process, but that's not what's going on here. Another would be if his third-party debt financing collapses. Now, that's kind of an interesting one. We don't know if he's at that point. We don't know what his negotiation standpoint is with his debt financiers. But look, another kind of turn would be, does he want to decrease the value of Tesla stock somehow in order to make his bankers take a second look and start to get cold feet? Very high doubts on that front. Going to want to keep Tesla in good standing, one would think. So look, he could also try to kill the deal by alleging fraud. That's the one that a lot of people are talking about here. It basically comes down to a fraudulent type allegation where
related to bots,
related to these spam bots, where Musk can say, look, Twitter, you're misrepresenting the number of spam bots on your platform, but not a big incentive for Twitter to be lying about what it knows about those numbers, because look, it's a representation to its shareholders. It's a public company and it doesn't want problems with the SEC.
And to its advertisers, quite frankly, right now, and they're involved. And look,
all of the
he
above.
waived due diligence, so that argument's going to be tough to make. It looks like that $1 billion is the bare minimum he's going to have to pay to get out of this deal. Alexis Keenan, good stuff. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too.